Some words about exploration. Once upon a time, man knew only a small fragment of the earth. The rest was dark and unknown. Although man has always feared the unknown, his fear is not as strong as his basic urge to explore. So using his technology, man sailed the oceans, crossed the continents, and came to understand the world he lived in. And in that process, he came upon a larger unexplored territory, himself. Without leaving his laboratory, man undertook to discover the deepest workings of his body and his mind, and he began to understand himself. Today, both journeys continue, because as long as man's knowledge of himself and his universe is incomplete, he is incomplete, and he'll use his technology to help him, as he always has. For technology is a continuing response to the needs of life. We're United Technologies.